Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Deni Salaula Anbia and hello Miss Geni. Today I will present a literary appreciation of the Cinderella film 2015. In this presentation, I will focus on the key elements such as the symbols in the film, characterization, plot, setting, and cinematic highlights. I will explore how these components work together to convey the timeless message of resilience, kindness, and inner strength, and how they contribute to the film appeal and impact. Okay, next to the introduction. Cinderella 2015 is a live-action adaptation of Disney's animated classic. Directed by Kenneth Branagh, the film introduced new layers to the familiar fairy tales. Okay, Cinderella 2015 is not just a retelling of the classic fairy tale. It's a visual and emotional calibration of values that resonate with people of all age. Let's dive into the elements that make it special. Okay, next. This is the appreciation of the Cinderella film 2015. Personally, this movie left a deep impression on me. It reminded me of the importance of kindness and staying true to myself. Even in tough times, the visual and storytelling made it a truly magical experience. Okay, next to the symbols in Cinderella film. First is glass slipper, second is pumpkin and animals, third is Cinderella dress. Symbols play a key role in Cinderella 2015, enriching its themes. The glass slipper represents Ella's uniqueness and true self. It's the key to her happy ending. The pumpkin and animals remind us of the transformative power of belief and magic, while Cinderella's shimmering dress is a visual expression of hope and courage, showing that true beauty comes from within. Next is characterization. First is Ella. She is kind, resilient, and courageous. Despite hardship, she remains patient, forgiving, and refuses to let bitterness take over. Her motto is "Have courage and be kind," reflects her strength and belief in goodness. Next is Fairy Godmother, a symbol of hope and magic. She transforms Ella's life at her lowest point, demonstrating that small acts of kindness can create life-changing opportunities. Next is the prince. The name is Kit, charming and genuine. He values Ella for her kindness and sincerity, seeking her out after the ball and choosing to marry for love, not duty, showcasing his integrity. Next is Lady Tremaine, Ella's stepmother, cruel and manipulative. Driven by jealousy and a desire for control, she mistreats Ella to elevate her own daughters, contrasting Ella's goodness with her bitterness. Okay, next to the plot. Once upon a time, there was a kind young girl named Ella who lived a happy life with her loving parents. But tragedy struck when her mother passed away, and her father remarried a woman named Lady Tremaine, who had two selfish daughters. Next, after Ella's father's death, Lady Tremaine and her daughter Anastasia and Drusilla treat her as a servant. Despite the cruelty, Ella remains kind and hopeful, holding on to her mother's advice: have courage and be kind. Next, Meanwhile, in the kingdom, the Prince Kit is preparing for a royal ball to find a bride. Ella's stepmother forbids her from attending, but with the help of her very good mother, Ella's dreams come true. Her rags are transformed into a beautiful gown, and Pumpkin turns into a magical carriage, complete with Miss turned into horse. Next, at the ball, Ella and Kit meet and fall in love. However, as the clock strikes midnight, the magic fades, and Ella must flee, leaving behind a single glass slipper. Next, the prince determined to find the girl who captured his heart, search the kingdom using the glass slipper. He arrives at Ella's home, where her stepsister tried to fit the shoe, but it's Ella who proves to be the rightful match. And next, the ending is Ella and Kit reunite and they marry, starting a life together based on love and kindness. Ella's goodness prevails and she becomes an beloved princess. Next is the setting. First is the kingdom. The kingdom was a land of beauty and prosperity, where kindness and hard work were valued above all. At its heart stood the Grand Castle, a symbol of hope and unity for the people. Next is Ella's home. Once a place filled with love and laughter, Ella's home had become a shadow of its former self. Her stepmother's coldness spread like a chill, turning the once warm household into a place of sorrow. Next, the ballroom. In the grand ballroom, dreams and destinies interviewed. Under the dazzling light of the chandeliers, Ella stepped into a world she had only ever dreamed of, capturing hearts with her grace and kindness. Next is cinematic highlight. Kenneth Branagh direction balanced magic and realism. Lily James' heartfelt portrayal bring depth to Ella. Stunning costume design by Sandy Powell. and breathtaking visual effect like the magical transformation. The film's beauty lies in its stunning visual and heartfelt performance. The costumes, especially Ella's ball gown, are works of art. The transformation scenes and magical moments are unforgettable. Finally, as a conclusion, Cinderella 2015 reminds us a timeless classic, breathtaking new life into the beloved fairy tale. At its heart, it carries powerful message, courage in the face of adversity, kindness as a source of strength, and the importance of staying true to oneself. Okay guys, thank you for the attention. That's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.